In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices paid in Xero. Marking an invoice as paid in Xero is simply about recording the payment against that invoice, so your accounts and reports stay accurate. Before we begin, make sure the invoice has already been created and approved, and that you know which bank account the money actually landed in. From your Xero dashboard, start by going to Sales. This takes you to the sales area where you manage quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Next, open Invoices to see your full list. If you like, use the filters to show items that are awaiting payment, or search by customer name, invoice number, or amount to find the one you need. Select the invoice you want to update, open it, and take a quick moment to confirm the details, like the customer, the due date, and the outstanding balance, so you know you're recording the payment against the right document. Scroll to the bottom of the invoice to the Record Payment section. Here, choose the account the payment was received into. Pick the same bank account that shows the deposit on your bank statement. Using the correct account keeps your bank reconciliation clean and avoids duplicate transactions later. You'll also see fields for the payment date, amount, and an optional reference or note. Enter the actual date the money arrived, confirm the amount, and add a brief description if it helps future you or your teammates understand what this payment was for. If the customer paid only part of the invoice, you can enter that partial amount here. Xero will then mark the invoice as partially paid and leave the remaining balance open. When everything looks right, click Record Payment. Xero will save the payment, update the invoice status, and display the payment details on the invoice. If you use bank feeds, you can later match the bank transaction to this recorded payment during reconciliation. If Xero suggests a match, accept it to keep everything aligned and prevent duplicates. If you notice a mistake after saving, open the invoice, remove the payment, and record it again with the correct details. It's better to fix it early than to reconcile incorrect data. And that's it. Go to Sales, open Invoices, select the invoice, choose the right account in Record Payment, and click Record Payment. Follow these steps each time, and your receivables and bank reconciliation will stay accurate and up to date.